Hi guys, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito naman po kaibigan nyo si Jake. Nasa family vacation po kami dito sa Bacolod, sa Palmas del Mar. We are celebrating the birthday of my son Jacob, 12th birthday, no? Alam nyo guys, ang anak ko si Jacob is having an autism, hindi po siya makapagsalita, no? In our simple way, we celebrate his birthday for today. So video natin ngayon guys, pag-usapan po natin ang disqualification case na ipinataw daw kay Mayor Vico Sotto na ibinasura ng korte. Before tayo guys magsimula, magpapasalamat po muna ako sa lahat ng mga viewers, silent viewers at supporters ng channel ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang panonood at suporta. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko at gusto nyo ang video na ito, paki-like lang po, share, and huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Alam po natin no, na this is the third term ni Mayor Vico Sotto sa Pasig sa pagtakbo bilang mayor. And then for the last 6 years, Mayor Vico proved himself to be one of the best mayor in the Philippines. Una-una po, wala po siyang kasong kataliwalian or corruption. Nakasave po ang Pasig City ng billions of pesos kasi sa mga bidding walang under the table, walang lagayan. At I think siya lang ang isang politiko dito sa Pilipinas na naka-receive ng award sa US, Citation Award, na kinilala siya na isa sa mga politiko sa mundo na walang bahid na anomalya or corruption. Napunta po tayo no, sa disqualification case. This coming election, basahin ko po ito nanggaling po ito sa Manila Bulletin. Pasig City Mayor Vico Sotto disclosed, sinawalat niya last Monday, April 14, that Pacifico Corley Diskaya, the second husband of his political rival Sara Diskaya, filed a petition for disqualification against him on January 28 but was immediately dismissed by Commission on Elections. Grabe talaga to, no? So out of desperation, si Diskaya ay nag-file ng mga kaso sa kay Vico Sotto, Mayor Vico, at na-dismiss naman. No? Ang kaso guys, according dito, ay stem from Corley's claim that the information regarding the Timothy's was misinformation. No? Sabi niya, misinformation daw yon sa St. Timothy, kahit pareho naman kaming sinabi na sa Comelec chairman mismo. He claimed that the issue about St. Timothy was misinformation even though the Comelec chairman himself saying the same thing I was. So, ito po guys, no? He added that Corley was also blaming him for various posts made by people on social media. Sinisisi niya rin ako sa mga posts ng ibang tao sa social media. Nagbabasa pala siya ng Reddit. He also blamed me for different posts made by people on social media. Turns out he reads Reddit. Mayor Vico Sotto noted that he may in fact have grounds to question his opponent's eligibility for mayor, claiming that Sara Diskaya alleged used her British passport this year. Dahil ginamit niya pa di umano ang kanyang British passport ngayong 2025 lamang because he alleged used her British passport this year, Sotto stated. The mayor explained that using a foreign passport after filing a certificate of candidacy is not allowed under the Philippine election law, as it can be seen continuing act of allegiance to another country. Sotto added that as early as January, he already heard about Diskaya's flight details but he chose not to file a petition. Bakit? Dahil ayokong may ma-disqualify sa kampo nila. Kailangan ipakita natin sa kanila na sa Pasig naputol na natin ang siglo ng malaking gastusan pang eleksyon. Traditional politics and corruption. We need to show them that in Pasig we have broken the cycle of excessive election spending, traditional politics, and corruption. He explained that he shared the post because the public has the right to know the truth. So guys, no, grabe talaga no ang mga kalaban ni Mayor Vico Sotto, no. Sisirain talaga siya, no. So sabi nga ng mga netizen, Mayor Vico's remarkable tenure as Pasig leader has been characterized by outstanding accomplishments and unwavering integrity. His humility and dedication to public service are qualities that make him exceptional leader. We must continue to support him, protect Mayor Vico, to protect Pasig. A good man cannot be defeated. He need to be not to seek revenge, justice will be served. Tama naman po, no? Sa akin lang guys, no, alam nila very unbeatable, no, si Mayor Vico, especially bilang mayor sa Pasig. Gusto nila kung hindi diskaya siguro na maging mayor para at least kung may mga transaction sila sa government sa Pasig ay kikita sila. It is a form of corruption, no? Example lang yun, na hindi ko sa ibig sabihin na gagawa sila ng corruption, no? So yun lang po guys, no. So I think, no, personally, time will come kung mabigyan si Mayor Vico ng chance maging president ng bansa natin, malaking itulong niya. He may not be perfect, but again, he can do some difference in our country. Yun lang po guys. Please like, share, and huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa channel ko. Mahal ko kayo, ingat po tayo lagi. Ito naman pong kaibigan nyo si Jake. Paalam, bye-bye.